Samasati, straight spine. We will start the Ashtanga Vinyasa Sun Salutation A. Tuck in your tailbone, relax your lower back, keep your spine straight. Ekam inhale, arms over the head. Do a exhale, bend forward. Through an inhale, lift the head up, lengthen spine. Chatwari, bend knees, walk and jump chaturanga. Pancha inhale, upper dog, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Sat exhale, roll up the toes, downward dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stay 5, breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sapta bend knees, walk and jump between the palms. Inhale, head up. Ashta, exhale, head down. Nava, inhale, arms over the head. Exhale, Samasati. Namaste. Thank you.